Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download more apps on your Samsung TV. So if I just go back to the home screen here, you can see I have three different options. I have For You, Live, and then Apps. So let's go on over to Apps. Scroll on down under here. We can see the recommended apps. But here are my downloaded apps. At any point in time, if I want to go to one of these, I can go to it. And then we can find more additional apps if we scroll on down. So we got the popular ones, and we got the different categories and the genres right here. We got app settings, update, and we can go to app settings right here and check this out. So you can very easily find anything you want, and you can delete your apps through here too. You can see the option to delete them. So if we want to go up to the top now and search for a specific application, maybe we can't find it through this category. On the top left, you'll notice if we go over here, there's a search option. So maybe we want, I don't know, maybe like YouTube TV or something like that. We can just type it in. So just type in YouTube TV, and it'll probably pop up before we're done. So we can just type in YouTube. And sometimes this is a little slow for me. And then we should be able to find it pop up. So there's some popular series. And let's see if this works. YouTube. And I believe the app selection on here is very limited, so you might not be able to find everything you want. So it says YouTube, so let's go over to the right. There's some TV shows, movies, sports, games, apps. So just go on down to the app section. Here's YouTube TV. For some reason mine doesn't even load, so it's just really slow. UTV. So you can try to, go through here and look for different apps. So here's a IPTV player. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.